Let's play a game. It's called Poke the Puppy. Poke, 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 poke.
Oigan, yo quería un perrito chihuahua y la neta pensé que me iba a salir uno bien bonito, pero pues aquí está el resultado. Estás bien feo, ¿verdad, mi amor? No es cierto, estás hermoso.
Precious when you smile. Yeah. Hit it from the back and drive you wild.
I stay out too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say.
Creo que los dioses del billar me sonríen a mí hoy.
Hello, hello, hello. Oi.
I can feel your love pulling me up from the underground. I don't need my drugs. We could be more than just part-time lovers. I can feel your touch picking me up from the underground. I don't need my drugs. We could be more than just part-time lovers.
Tiptoe by the window, that is where all become tiptoe.
Wait. Go. Got one. Go. Go. Oh, yeah. Go. Go. Go.
A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita, all I need, a little bit of Tina's what I see, a little bit.
如果你要爱我，你就亲亲我，如果你要爱我，就请挂了电话来找我，当着我。
Count.
Test your might. Test your might.
she's a Jenga ninja. Look at the concentration on her face as she slowly slides a brick out, and she doesn't even celebrate. That's how composed she is. It's your turn. Her owner has an advantage. She has hands, opposable thumbs. However, her teeth have precision. It's maybe her nose that could let her down. Oh, I can't watch. I'd prefer to see the human centipede for a second time. Come on, yes, she's got it. Fantastic stuff.
But that straight to the booth, ayy. Tell me my health is a fools, ayy. She said one for which I do, ayy. You put a gun on my mans, ayy. I put a hole in your parents, ayy. I just got lean on my zoomies, ayy. I got a Uzi, no Uzi. I mean, look at me, ayy. Fuck on me, yeah. Look at me, look at me, look at me, yeah.
Excuse me, that's my breakfast.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Wiggle.
Wiggle who?
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Solo porque papá llega oliendo a otros perros no significa que ya no te quiere. Solo porque papá llega oliendo a otros perros no significa que ya no te quiere.
¿Mm? ¿Mm?